Uh-oh, what are you going to do now? Try reverse. Reverse and turn the wheel at the same time.
Daddy,
Yeah?
I gotta get all this mulch added away.
You getting the mulch out of the way?
Yeah.
I don't think you need to, man. I think you can just get in and put it in reverse.
Something is broken back here, not making me move so much.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Here, I got an idea. Get in the truck in the driver's seat and put it in reverse. Let's do some off-roading. There you go. Put it in reverse. I'll give you a little push if I have to. There you go. All the way back. All right, now put it in forward and try to drive through. There you go. Go, 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 go. You did it. You did it. Yeah. All right. You have anything you want to say to Grandma and Grandpa? Let's see. Look at me. You gonna say hi? So you a good truck driver? Hey, look at me. Say I'm a good driver.
I'm a good driver.
Ha